How to recover your Yahoo account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover your Yahoo account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up a web browser and simply search for yahoo.com. After you open up your yahoo.com, tap on the sign in button on the top right corner. After you tap on sign in, you'll then be able to choose your account. I'll just choose this account. You can type in your email as well. So after you type in your Yahoo email, you'll get the option to type in the password. So after you're on this section, what you'll need to do is you'll need to tap on forgot password. And after you tap on forgot password, you will be able to sign in with your Google as well. Or what you'll get an option is you'll get an option to type in your email, or you'll get an option to type in your phone number. After you get that very option, simply choose that and then you will get an email on that email address. So let's check our email for now. So instead of this logged in, as you can see, instead of such options such as this, you'll get an option to actually type in the verification code. So just get the verification code from your email address and then type it in here where they will ask you to. Doing that, you'll recover your Yahoo account. And that's how you do it, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.